So now that we know how to add page numbers, let us now put the numbers where we want them. So what I mean by that is, you see number 1 is on our cover. I don't want a page number on my cover. I also do not want a page number on my table of contents. I want my first page to start here at my editorial, but currently my editorial is page number 3. So how can I change that? To change it actually is quite simple. So here's what we need to do. I need to go to page 3 on my pages panel, just right here. I'll zoom in for this so you can kind of really see it. I'm going to right click. Let me move over a little bit. I'm going to right click on page 3. Okay, so I'm on that page 3 item. I clicked it. I'm going to right click on it. And it says allow document pages to shuffle. I want to unclick that. And then I'm going to right click again. Allow selected spreadsheets to shuffle. I want to unclick that. Okay, that's done. So now the next thing I want to do, I'm going to right click on it a third time, but this time I want to hit numbering and section options. I'll zoom out. Okay, so once this box pops up, we want to hit start page numbering at number 1. Okay, so we're starting page numbering at 1. Everything else we can leave alone. So we click that one button and we press OK. We're going to get a little message that's going to pop up. We'll just press OK on that. And then let's see. So notice our page 3 is now page 1. Okay. So now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. All right. But we still need to address the cover that still has page 1 on it and our table of contents that still has page 2 on it. So to get rid of those, we're going to go back up to our master page area, and this item that says none, we're going to take that box next to none and we're going to drag it right over page 1, and then we're going to take none again and drag it right over page 2. So notice when I drag it over page 2, it went away. I'll undo so you can see that one more time. The 2 is there. When I grab none and drag it on top of page 2, the number goes away. So pretty much what that none stands for is whatever we put on the master page, we don't want to apply to that page. That's why it says none. So whatever you do on the master, if you don't want that number on a particular page, just go to none, drag it right on top, and you're good. So now we know how to create page numbers. We also know how to put them on the pages we want them to go. Oh, one more thing too while I got you. Let me go back to my pages. Another thing you can do if you choose to is you can put, I don't know, little words or text. Like let's say for example, I can put, for this I'll type, I don't know what I want to type. Maybe I'll type InDesign Tech Tips. Let me make it a little smaller. I'll make it maybe 14 point. Hold on, let me make a bigger text box. I'll make it maybe this tall. And I'll make it 14. And then I'll put InDesign Tech Tips. I don't like that font, so I'll change it to this one. Let's make it a little bigger. I'm going to move it down. There we go. Maybe that's good. Okay, and so I'm only going to put the InDesign Tech Tip on the left-hand side. I'm not going to put it on the right. That's just because, this is just what I'm doing for my example. You could put it on both sides if you want. You could put something on this and a different something on that. Does not matter. I can change the color of this text. Maybe I'll put InDesign Tech Tips in red or something. Let me go over to swatches. I'll put it in red. And let's see what we get. I'm going to save. Let's go back to pages. And let's go to page 1. Okay, so I'm scrolling down. Here's my page 1. And then let me move over. Oh, there it is. So on page 2, my InDesign Tech Tip, if I scroll down to the next spread, the InDesign page, the InDesign Tech Tip, so it only shows up on the left-hand side because I only put it on the left master page. It would only show up on the right side if I put it only on the right master page. So I just did that as a little demo just to show you guys that you can manipulate one side of the page and not the other. It's very flexible, and you really can do whatever you want from here. I'm going to give it one last save, and then I will see you guys in the next video.